Alright guys, MTech Guy here, and today we're going to take a look at how to reset your service indicator on your E53 X5. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to hold the trip reset button in on the left hand side there, and as we're holding it down, we're going to turn the ignition key to position 1. Then you'll see it say oil service on the left hand side there, just under the trip reset button. Let go of the reset button, press it in again. You'll see it flashing resets. Let go, press again once. You see it said end, and you see all the green bars of reset on the left hand side there. Alright guys, there we have it. That's how you go about resetting your service indicator on your E53 X5. If you found the video useful, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe for more BMW DIY videos. I'm MTech Guy. Thanks a lot for watching.